In this tutorial, I will show you how to add due dates to your online English course. You'll change the dates in schedules of assignments, quizzes and tests and other assessments, and in the Dropbox. Let's start by clicking on Content. You'll notice that this course has 4 units, and for each unit there will be 2 versions of the schedule of assignments. You'll want to make sure that you change the dates on both of these. To change the dates, you'll click the drop-down menu and then Edit HTML. Each of the assignments will show a time and then a day that it's due. You'll want to make sure that the time remains 11:59 p.m., but for the days, you can space those out as needed. After you've updated each of the schedule of assignments, make sure that you do select Update. When you cycle through each of those in each of the units, you'll then want to change the due dates on the quizzes and tests, and these due dates should reflect the same ones that you added to the schedule of assignments. To change these, select, like I did, quiz and tests, and then the drop-down menu on each one. You want to select Edit, and then Restrictions, and then make the quiz, test, or other assessment available by clicking Has Start Date, and then closing it out by selecting Has End Date. When you select these, you can, of course, enter dates and times here. Again, the time you may want to select 11:59 p.m. You'll also want to change the status to active instead of inactive. Once you've done this, select Save and Close. Next, we'll move on to the Dropbox. Same thing here. Drop-down menu. Here you're going to edit Folder, Restrictions, and then instead of doing Start Date and End Date, simply select Has Due Date, change this to 11:59 p.m., and then enter in the due date here. For online courses, it's best to just enter in a due date and leave the folder open in case somebody does submit something a little later than 11:59 p.m. After that, you will select Save and Close. And this concludes the assignment due date tutorial.